machine that is taking a coil of sheet metal and shaping it to the design that the client wants, manufacturing a snap-in metal that's going to go on the roof and the sides of this house. Come check it out. Today we're at a South Austin project where we're going to be installing some wall panels. Also, we installed some roofing panels and a TPO material that is great for energy saving. You can find us anywhere off of Google, Facebook, and our website with rlroofingtx.com.